Oh my god, he's cut an original OEM Subaru.
Good morning, I'm Pete.
Good afternoon, I'm Matt.
And an exciting day today.
Very exciting.
Lots of shiny bits, haven't we?
It's like Christmas all over again. So basically, we found a guy on the internet that makes custom parts for pretty much any car, but he seems to specialise in Subarus at the moment. Pretty much engine dress-up parts, engine bay dress-up parts.
Yeah, it's a very compact and very nice-looking engine bay, isn't it? But a few little things you can do, get rid of a few rusty areas, cover up some unsightly areas, and it can look really smart, can't
things like bottles, you know, ugly plastics in there we can cover up. So we've ordered some parts and we're going to put them on and see what they look like, but first impressions of them, they look really nice. This guy actually went and put the order in. It took him about a week to actually make them from hand.
Yeah, he started making them when you put the order in, didn't they? They weren't just in a factory, he was just like, okay,
you just
get a blowtorch out.
Yeah, and like you wouldn't believe the finish on them, just really nice, polished.
Really nice, shiny, like, I'm being very careful because you can fingerprint them up quite easily, can't you?
Yeah.
But even his welding skills are on point, so this man can weld, can't he?
Yeah, and these have also been sat here for like a week as well. It's been so hard not to put them on, so...
You were sending me photos of you just unwrapping them in the lounge, like it's like Christmas.
It literally was like Christmas again. So yeah, let's get them on. Let's get
them
to
fitted.
Okay, so these are the parts that we've gone for. I'm wearing gloves because I've been advised by the guy who makes them that you can easily fingerprint them up.
So let's name check this guy again. It's called Badass Performance.
Yeah, it's Badass Performance. You can pretty much find him on eBay, but he's also got a website which we'll leave a link for in the description if you want these. If you look at his welding, it's next level really. And the polish on this, I've never seen steel, you know,
it's
polished
nice
up like that.
Isn't it?
And they're really light as well. This whole package came and I thought there must be parts missing in here because it's like so light. This is pretty cool as well. This is completely made from scratch, and it's a dipstick cover. So you basically cut the dipstick that you've got now and it kind of slots over, holds together, you drop it in and it's a brand new sort of dipstick. But
nice.
Cool idea, isn't it?
Very cool.
The way that kind of bolts together.
Better than a bit of plastic just sat there, isn't it? So
yeah,
why wouldn't you?
Definitely. So yeah, let's get these unboxed and then start whacking them on.
Sweet.
So this is, I think, a fuse box cover.
Very nice.
It's just a nice finish, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one is a battery cover, so your unsightly battery that you've got sat in your engine bay, that sits right over the top and leaves your positive and your negative terminal there to connect to. So Badass Performance, give them a check out. Hopefully the chrome's going to look quite good in here, definitely give it a bit of a freshen up.
New lease of life.
Yeah.
Well, just to clean, so last week we gave it a proper clean through, didn't we?
Yeah.
Just to get it prepped and ready.
Clean using our secret product. We found that this is definitely the best engine bay cleaner.
We've been using it for what, like
10 years?
10 years, yeah. Genuinely. Like,
it's marketed at motorbikes and mountain bikes, but we found for things like engine grease and just any usual grime that you get in on a car, it's really, really good.
Yeah, well, it's natural. There's no chemicals in it either, so it's like like your vegan engine cleaner.
Yeah, that's it. There is no blended rabbits inside here. It's safe.
And it smells nice.
Yeah, it smells good as well. But yeah, you literally spray it on, you leave it on there for a bit and wipe it off, and it gets rid of any grease and engine oil, like any dirt. It's really good. And under the radar for most people, they don't know about it because it's not aimed at those car heads. We use this on every car that we've ever had to clean the engine bays.
Works an absolute treat. Recommend it. Give it a go anyway. It's not expensive.
Yeah. So yeah, let's get these new chrome parts on then and see what they look like.
Let's do it. I can't wait.
Okay, so starting nice and easy, going for the battery cover.
Second we start filming, someone starts drilling as well.
Yeah, you can always guarantee that. So we're going to tighten that up at a later stage, but just for now, to get it on there, so we just need to swap the battery out. Yeah, that looks pretty cool.
Nice already. Jesus. Jesus, this GoPro's taking a pounding. Yeah, treacherous. Go on.
Okay, so up next is the fuse cover. So this one is just a snug, tight fit. Push it down and it sticks in place, which is pretty nice.
Nicely done.
Then alongside that is the wiper reservoir cover. So this one, I think, is just going to slot through the cap, I think.
Looking good.
Yeah, looks good. Up next is alternator belt cover.
Just get rid of a bit of plastic. Okay, so belt cover's going on. It's not a direct fit, so you do need a spacer, don't you?
Yeah, but he supplies this with it. So he's thought ahead and he's just put in that little spacer and the new bolt as well that's long enough, because the OEM part is obviously...
It sits flush, doesn't it?
Yeah,
right on
it's
top of there.
infilled with the plastic, so this one you just get that little metal spacer, but he'll put that in with it. And then that is just going to slot back on there, and then it sits nice and level.
Beautiful.
There we go.
Beautiful. That actually looks really sick.
Looks good, that, doesn't it?
That looks really good. What a difference that makes to the front. Right, what's the next piece?
Next piece is the radiator topper. So this one could be a bit more tricky actually, because
We've got to remove the little air in, don't we?
I think we're going to sit somewhere like that.
Nice.
Okay, so onto the radiator cover. So these parts that Pete's putting on now, you can actually get new ones because they look really bad, but I can order them at some point.
We were just seeing how these first ones fit, weren't we?
Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice little improvement. Isn't
Really smart.
it? Okay, so then
Putting our little air
scoop back on.
feed through.
Brings back memories from last
Doesn't
year.
it just? If you've not seen how much of a nightmare fitting that feed was, go and watch the video,
Yeah,
because it wasn't easy.
our little air feed down here.
And again, let's tighten these up with a few little dress-up bolts.
Looking good. What do you think? You liking the chrome, or are you thinking gold?
You know what? I actually do really like the chrome.
What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Do we go chrome like this, or do we get it sprayed gold to match? Eventually the wheels and things will be gold, so it will all match in.
That's it.
Okay, so let's see what's up next.
Okay, so we're about to replace our little oil level cap with this nice little chrome number. You do have to sort of custom fit this, so Matt is about to saw the edges off our existing one. Now, these
Oh
are
my
cheap.
god, he's cut an original OEM Subaru.
Luckily these are like, what, £3 on eBay?
Like £3 for another one on
Yeah,
eBay, so
exactly.
don't worry, hardcore Subaru fan.
If it doesn't work well, we're not exactly out of pocket. This is professional clamping. The knee clamp.
Who needs a vice?
It looks painful on the old thumb, that one.
It is.
So it gets oily as fuck. Yeah, you got to try and do that the game with the
Yeah, it is actually.
beep, beep.
Could even potentially put a bit of Loctite on this when we get around to it as well.
That looks epic, mate, honestly.
So hopefully it should shut in and then make a nice seal. Yeah, there we go.
Nice. It's little things like that. That looks really smart.
Small touches.
Yeah. Made a big difference, that, hasn't it?
Yeah, smart. So there we go, parts are on. Looks completely different in my opinion.
Yeah, and I agree.
it?
Yeah, 100%. It's just going to be now a case of what we talked about before, of whether they stay chrome, whether they potentially go gold in the future. They look really good like this, that's the problem. So
yeah, but we're thinking if the wheels are going gold and all our little accents will be gold, will it look good?
Yeah,
Getting rid of that chrome and
would
having
either
that nice
look
gold finish.
amazing, or it would look really tacky.
Way
We
over
can't
the top.
decide what to do yet. So
Yeah.
let us know your thoughts on that one. Next thing coming up is the
Next
fateful
thing.
boot, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's getting MOT on it, and then we're going to take it to a workshop and we're going to do the boot build ourselves.
Yeah.
Because that's in dire need.
Yeah. Well, is it leaking battery acid still, or is it dried
I
up?
think that's gone now.
We've
It's
got dried
leaked all the
up
battery
battery
acid. But it is just bare metal shell in there. It needs absolutely everything.
Gutting and sort of
If
fitting,
you haven't
isn't
seen it, it's actually in one of our videos, so we'll link that at the end and you can have a look. It is in a bad way, but it's a good project for us and it's good for you. Should be quite entertaining, us doing a full boot build.
Yeah, and it'd be nice to tidy up all of the air ride system, all the cables are in the back, just make it really orderly, make it nice and sort of easy to manage. And then, once that's all sorted, we can look at relighting it and bringing it back to its former glory.
Definitely.
With all of the ridiculous amounts of lights on this car, and sound system.
Early 2000 neons and all that stuff.
Yeah,
on there, so
it's just going to be like Need for Speed, basically.
yeah,
So
it's going to be good.
well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you agree it made a big difference. Let us know what you think about the chrome / gold. Where should we go with that? And interesting stuff to come over the next couple of weeks, isn't there?
We'll see you on the next one, yeah?
Thanks for watching, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.